Hello, my lovely enchantresses and enchanters. Welcome back to my magical realm. I'm Mysticaluna, and today we're going to tap into the extraordinary power of abundance and manifest some serious wealth. Are you ready to take your financial future into your own magical hands? Then listen closely. This Thursday, June 1st, 2023, I want you to set aside some time to cast money attracting spells and create your very own money drawing jars. Why this Thursday? Well, first of all, Thursday is the best day of the week to cast money spells. Also, we are in a waxing moon, which is the ideal time to do magic to attract things that you want more of in your life, like money. For an added bonus, it's the first of the month, which is a great time to blow cinnamon across your doorstep. Just make sure you do it from the outside of the house facing inward and not the other way around, unless you want to send your money out into the world. The universe is ready to bestow its blessings upon you, but you must be willing to open the door to prosperity. So first, let's talk about money attracting spells. These spells harness the energy of abundance and help align your intentions with the flow of wealth. Gather your favorite crystals, a green candle, and a small piece of paper. Begin by lighting the green candle. Feel the warmth and power of its flame. Write down your financial goals on the paper, envisioning yourself living in prosperity. Now place the paper beneath the candle and let it burn, releasing your intentions into the universe. After casting your spell, it's time to create your money drawing jar. Find a glass jar, like this one, and fill it with ingredients that symbolize abundance and wealth. Think cinnamon sticks for success, bay leaves for luck, citrine crystals for financial growth. You can put coins, dollars, anything that represents money and abundance to you can go into your jar. With each addition, focus your intentions on attracting prosperity and financial well-being into your life. Visualize the jar overflowing with abundance. And remember, my magical beings, the power lies within you. Trust the process, have faith in your own abilities, and let the universe conspire to bring you all that you desire. By casting money-attracting spells and creating money-drawing jars this Thursday, you're taking a step closer to unlocking the wealth that awaits you. So mark your calendars and join me on this mystical journey of prosperity this Thursday. Together we shall manifest wealth and abundance beyond measure. That's all for now, and until next time, blessed be.